Hello everyone, today's product is ZETA Headlight Guard and the windscreen seal kit for the Tenere 700. The headlight guard is made of 2mm thick durable stainless steel with a black powder coated finish, and the easy to install button design comes with all the mounting hardware included on this kit. So protect your headlight but not to interfere with your lighting performance. Windshield kit is easy to install. Just remove the OEM windscreen and install the windscreen braces and the mount bar to install the ZETA windshield kit. The kit comes with a larger screen than the OEM, and you can also adjust the angle, and the screen can be flipped.